Our planet and the bigger issues. At Only Green, we feel that knowledge of the major environmental issues is just as important as knowledge of the products. Having a good understanding of what is going on with our world will allow you to speak confidently about the green movement and why it is needed. It will also give you more credibility with your customers when they see that you've taken time to educate yourself as well. Make sure that you thoroughly read over this section of training. First off, global warming and air pollution. The causes. Global warming is caused by increased levels of greenhouse gases being released into the atmosphere today. The three main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. The solution. There are many ways that we can look at decreasing our greenhouse gas emissions. As a society, we need to become more efficient with our energy usage and reduce our demand on fossil fuels. These solutions spread across many sectors of our society, including industry, business, transportation, and urban planning. The next major issue is water pollution. The cause. There are two types of water that we rely on to sustain life on Earth. First, there is surface water, which is any large body of water found in lakes, oceans, rivers, and streams. The second is groundwater, which lies below the surface of the Earth in natural reserves. There are two primary causes for water pollution. The first is known as point source pollution, when contaminants enter a waterway through a discrete single point source, such as a leaking underground tank or discharge from a water treatment plant. The second cause of pollution is from non-point source, which is an accumulation of small amounts of contaminants from a larger source. One example of this would be runoff that is produced from pesticides on farmland. The solution. Although there are methods to treat polluted water, they are not necessarily the most efficient, and they are only effective on surface water. The only real solution available is to better protect our water sources by taking care of what we put into the ground. The next big environmental concern is the consumption and disposal of goods. At this point, if you haven't already done so, please take time to watch the Story of Stuff DVD that was provided in your business starter kit. The Story of Stuff goes through the many stages of production of consumer goods that we rely so heavily on. As you watch this video, please take notes on what you think the causes and problems are and what could be the solution. The last big environmental concern that we have covered is the impact of chemicals. The cause. Reliance on convenience has been a way of life for many consumers. Due to this, we are willing to sacrifice our overall health for a product that is cheaper and easier to use. The problem with this is the abundance of chemicals and other materials that are currently used in products such as skincare, cosmetics, and even our food. Many people don't realize that the absorption through skin is also absorption into the bloodstream. The solution. We need to redesign our way of thinking when it comes to products that we consume and use on a daily basis. For example, skincare and cosmetics can be easily manufactured in a way that use all natural and organic ingredients, free of harmful bleaches and dyes. Another example is the development of natural cleaners and other household products that, when disposed of, will not be harmful to the environment. When looking at major environmental concerns that are affecting our planet, we need to realize that we can all make a difference one step at a time. With the current state of the environment, we certainly cannot rectify all problems. Every now and then, you may come across a customer who feels this way. The point we want to get across to consumers is that every little step makes a difference. They cannot end global warming with a biodegradable garbage bag, but they can take a step in the right direction.